Hey guys, got an unboxing here. It's silver bars by Monarch Precious Metals, and then I've got want to talk about how silver went up almost 3% today, and so it's breaking through resistance lines on the upward technical analysis on those charts. So like when these happens, they tend to go up a lot, and how to find trends and talk a little bit about bubble psychology and riding cycles. If you hear about these things, stay tuned. Hey guys, I got a little unboxing to do, and I wanted to talk about market psychology and bubbles, and it's kind of this thing called the Wall Street cheat sheet. So I'm going to talk about this at the end, the psychology of market cycles. I'm sure you guys have seen these before, but I'll do real quickly. I'm going to take you guys right here and just show you how the silver market looks and compared to the bubble, the Wall Street cheat sheet. So, it looks like we're somewhere around here. It's hard to say exactly where we are because it's easy to kind of say, like, it looks kind of the same, like we should be like right there, but it's a little more complicated. So anyways, guys, I'm going to do this quick unboxing.
Smash that like button and subscribe.
All right, let's check out some silver. I actually got this on eBay. Look at my older videos on eBay Bucks and some strategy on how to find good deals, because you can actually find silver sometimes near spot, at spot, and better than dealers. Also, another thing is a lot of times you can avoid paying that 5 to 12% tax, and there's also these. And that's a shopping sales tax, but there's also a lot of other things, benefits to eBay. Look how this guy packaged it. Did he use Subway? No, he just used a bunch of, I like this guy's style. He used some plastic bags to just pack these things in, but check these out. These are from Monarch Precious Metals. These are poured bars. I like the way this guy packed it. He just recycled these plastic bags, which I give him props. Look at my old videos on living under your means. Like, there's some people, they might pay 50 cents for filling, bubble wrap, that sort of thing, but this guy actually just reused plastic. Props to the guy, because what you can do is, if you save money, the more money you save, you can actually use that to buy more silver. And just doing so, like, you save 5% here, 10% there, you can really stack extra silver. So he packaged this pretty well, guys, gotta admit. Gonna give him a good review on eBay. Hear that clanging together though. I hope he put something in between these. So we got a 3 troy ounce, we got a 10 troy ounce, and third, last but not least, we got a little 2 troy ounce. Really nice little poured pieces. I already had one 10 troy ounce, but I got this, I think, for about, what was it, $1, $2 over. It was a pretty good deal. So I think I got it for about $1.50 over spot, which is good for poured silver, because you look at poured silver, often it's about $20 per ounce when spot price was at 15, but spot's actually gone up drastically, like 2-3%. We're almost at $16 right now. Let me actually look that up, guys. We are at $16.19 right now. $16.19 spot price. $16.19. That is crazy. I've not seen it that high in months. But this is what I got here on eBay. And here's a little 2 ounce, real chunky little bar here. Awesome pour. I love these little pours. These would normally sell for a large premium. I think I got these for $1.50, $1.60 over spot by bidding on these. It's hard to bid on these and really get these poured bars. Just in comparison, I'll show you guys a 5 ounce poured bar that I have. And this is a silver Silvertown bar. This is a 5 ouncer, and just in comparison, look at that compared to the 3 ouncer, but where you see the size difference is that right there. I am going to test these later. You should weigh them. You can also do the sliding test with a little earth magnet. You can just slide it up and down to see if it sticks or if the magnet. Do this real quick. What the magnet should do is it should not like completely stick, but it should slowly slide down. See that? That's perfect. That's what you want. You want a little bit of magnetism, but not so much that it slides down quickly. So if that slid down quickly, I would probably assume that this could be fake, and I would probably take it into my LCS and have it tested. See how it just gradually. So I'm actually at an angle, but it's hard to tell because I got the camera directly above me, but I am at an angle, and watch how slowly and gradually that slides down at that angle. Whereas if it were, well, for instance, if it were just straight metal, that would just stick at that angle. And if it were, so this is just a cardboard box, and I'm going to show you guys the same thing. Do you see how quickly that slid off? I'm holding it at the exact same angle. Quickly slid off. One more time. Quickly slid off versus at a slight angle, maybe about 20 degrees, maybe even 30 degrees. See how slowly that goes off? That's because there's a little bit of slight magnetism when you have one of these earth magnets. You can find these for like $1 or less on Amazon. But anyways, guys, love these poured bars. I know these are newer ones. They're not like super collectible. And silver. But I just want to say that I really think that silver is gonna break out into somewhat of a bull run, and by bull run I just mean it's gonna go from being in this long term. This is over 20 years. This is from 2000. Hey guys, got cut off there. I have to split this into 2 videos for the YouTube to fit. And I'll just be talking about on the next video a little more into that Wall Street cheat sheet and how you can superimpose it onto the current cycle. These things happen over like 5-10 years. Bitcoin happened really quick over like 3-4 years. But I actually think that's also another cycle, and that's in a low of the cycle. But I'm mainly going to be talking about silver, precious metals, and how you can kind of gauge where you are in the long-term macro trend. All right, guys, Metal Bum out. Please like, rate, and subscribe.